In this video, I will show you how to easily add friends in CS2, and with that in mind, let's get right into it. To start, if you already played some competitive games in CS2, you should be familiar with the recent teammates section. Simply select a person from this list, and from here you could send them a friend request easily like I am doing right now. If that specific user wants to connect with you, they will accept your friend request when they see it, and you can play together CS2. If you want to send a friend request to a specific person you want, follow these simple steps. Start by pressing Shift and Tab if you have the Steam overlay enabled, and then navigate to the Friends tab located right here, and next you will see this Friends List tab right here. And now click on the plus icon located right here, and after loading on this page you will see your friend code. You will also see your quick invite friend code, and to other friend in CS2 you can ask your friend to provide their friend code, which they will find it right here on this page, and after they will give you their friend code, paste the code right here where it says enter a friend code and click on send invite. And like this you can send him a friend request, and after that you can add your friend in CS2 after he accepted your friend request. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was helpful, please share this video with your friends so they could also know how to add their friends in CS2.